And your book describes a way of looking at brand building and brand creation. How is this different from what companies have traditionally done?
Well, we looked at a lot of companies and we studied a lot of successful companies and also from our experience of working with companies and knowing people within various companies and so forth, is that we're seeing with forward-thinking companies, and we'll talk about them as being the thought leaders, and some of the companies that we talk with were Procter & Gamble, General Mills, Kraft, Intel, just to name a few. We talked to over 23 companies and experts. But what we saw in business is that, and also I have to say, being in public education, in universities as well, is very much a silo approach where there is real power in holding the knowledge close by. And in companies that were expanded because of acquisitions and mergers and so forth, I think it almost exacerbated the idea of holding on to knowledge in a silo approach because it assured your place within the company.
I mean, I might be a marketing person and say, this is my marketing silo.
Right.
I talk to other marketers, but I don't talk to anybody else.
Yeah, because it protects you. Yeah, it protects you, and also, you have these metrics in terms of delivery, and that's how you measure. You're measured by the metrics within that particular silo. Well, now, forward-thinking companies, and we like to think the companies that we interviewed are sort of in best practices. They're seeing that, look, good ideas come from all over the place. And, for us to be successful in marketing, we really have to have a better understanding of what's going on in the legal department. We have to have a better understanding of what's going on in customer insights. And by bringing all these different talents to the table, with a shared vision of where we want to go, and what we want to do as a company is we want to provide the best possible product at the best possible price with the best possible protection that will keep others out. That collaborative approach is what really makes sense. And besides, it's fun because you're working with all these different disciplines with a shared vision and an end game that you all agree on. So we call our process a brand rewired process, but it's a collaborative, organic approach, and companies are using this and seeing that it's really returning greater success on the end product and saves time, saves money, etc.